Mom! The AC is not working!
Oh no, it's broken.
Hello? Our AC is not working.
I'm Dautar.
I'm sorry, I'll be there soon.
Okay.
How long?
A little while.
And the fan is broken too!
This is the worst day!
I'm melting.
Kids, I have an idea.
What idea?
Let's go outside.
Wow! Ice cream! My favorite!
A hot day needs ice cream.
I need something cold! Ah, much better. But it's still so hot. Whoa! Yeah!
Look at you two! Water time!
Hey, got you!
That was so much fun!
And now, ice cream. I don't feel hot anymore.
Me neither.
See? This is fun.
Today was the hottest day ever!
But it was the most fun.
Exactly. Sometimes, you don't need a perfect day to have fun. You just need the people you love.
Can you write I love summer in the comments?